Hi guys, now today I'll be showing you how to make this paper boat. No, I'm kidding. Today I'll actually be showing you how to make this heart boat that transforms from a normal boat. To transform it, you just tuck this in here. And it doesn't really matter if you glue this part in, it actually does help, so I'll do that later. Now this is great for Valentine's Day. That's really cool. Now to make this, you actually won't be needing an A4 piece of paper, you'll be needing a square one. Now, if you don't know how to make a square piece of paper, there should be a tutorial in the top right-hand corner when it comes out. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is fold from this corner to here. Now fold from here to here to get an X. Okay, so now you want to fold the top to the center of the X right here. Okay, now you want to fold the bottom to the middle of the X again. Okay, so now you want to turn it like this, and you want to fold from here the top to the bottom. Okay, now you want to fold from the top to the middle right here. Now after that, you want to fold the bottom to the middle. So now what you want to do is open this back up. Now for the bottom one, what you want to do is, I'll draw. Okay, so now for the bottom one, you want to fold this side right here and make it touch the middle line right there. So like that. Now you want to push this down. Like that. So push that right there. And like fold it down. Just fold it down. Now open it back up and do the same thing with the other side. Okay, so now you have the boat. Now to make the heart, it's kind of similar. You want to take this and fold it to the middle. And press down like that. But this time you don't want to fold it like that. You want to see there should be a crease right here. You want to fold this. You want to fold this, like right here, to right here, like that. And make it touch right here. So like that. So now you want to do the same thing to the other side. Just fold it like this. Like that. Okay, so now you want to flip it over. Like that. And what you want to do is take this tip and fold it to right here. Like that. Now, here's when it kind of gets a bit tricky. You want to just take your finger and just curve it out there so that you can sort of see this. What you want to do is flip it back over, but still keep your hand holding this down. Just put one finger there. Now you see this mess right here. You want to try to flatten this. That with your finger. Now not here, you don't want to flatten it like that. You want to sort of pull that out so it forms sort of a triangle shape. Right here. You want to just pull that out. And same thing with this side, you want to just like pull that out and push it in. And now we finish the heart because it looks kind of like a diamond now. You want to take this and fold it right here, but leave just a little bit of room right there. So you want to fold it like that. And this should be your finished heart boat. So this doesn't actually float. That's the only bad thing because it just tips over onto the side. But it still looks cool. So you could color it in with a Sharpie. I didn't really do a good job here. Or you could just fold it with a piece of red paper. And there's one thing you can do here, which is just fold this up to make it look like a flying heart. That looks kind of like a flying Valentine. So now that's all for this video. If you want to see more, please like and subscribe. And that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye guys.